Hello and welcome or welcome back to the Dig In and Pitch In channel. I hope that you are having a great day today. This channel highlights the food, culture, and restaurants of New Orleans. New Orleans cuisine comes from a mixture of different cultures such as French, Spanish, African, Native American, Asian, especially Vietnamese, and Italian. Today we are visiting Zea Rotisserie. Zea is a Louisiana-based restaurant with an additional location in Ridgeland, Mississippi. I think that every state should have a Zea. It's one of my favorite places to go to for comfort food. According to their website, 3 chefs started it all. Our story began when 3 notable New Orleans chefs met on a catering assignment and decided to meld their diverse backgrounds into a powerhouse culinary team. Gary Darling, Hans Limburg, and Greg Reggio named themselves the Taste Buds, and the rest, shall we say, is history. In 1997, with one successful concept already under their belts, the trio launched the first Zea Rotisserie and Bar, taking inspiration from the rotisserie cooking found in European food markets. They focused on fresh ingredients and bold flavor profiles, creating memorable dishes like our Thai ribs, Mediterranean hummus, roasted corn grits, and rotisserie chicken. And 3 of those dishes that they named are some of my favorites from them. One thing that I don't have a picture of is their cheesecake. Although I've been there many times to get it, the slices that they give you are as thick as this chocolate caramel brownie that's pictured. They are thick and cream cheesy and so good. Another dessert that they have is the sweet potato pecan bread pudding. I love sweet potatoes and I love pecans. Bread pudding is always a great dessert, but when you put all 3 of those together, it is phenomenal. Their Mediterranean hummus is my favorite hummus. This is a whole meal for me sometimes, and I can just clean this up. It is so yummy. A good old New Orleans favorite that they have is red beans and rice. It comes with chicken and sausage. Yes, it is good. And this is coming from a New Orleans native. You have the option of ordering the red beans and rice with grilled chicken or fried chicken. Their fried chicken is so crispy and flavorful. I didn't mention that I love sweet potatoes. Well, one of their seasonal sides is mashed sweet potatoes. The mashed sweet potatoes are delicious, but not too sweet. Their grits are some of the most yummiest grits that I've ever tasted. They are unique, as you can see in the picture, with corn kernels mixed in there. I'm actually addicted to their grits. Words can't describe how good they taste. So it goes without saying that their shrimp and grits is also one of my favorite dishes. I actually like the sausage in the dish more than the shrimp. And last but not least, their Thai ribs is one of my favorite dishes. I usually order them with their grits. The Thai ribs are sweet and tangy, and the meat just falls off of the bone. I love the flavor, and I think that those ribs could pair well with anything on their menu. I just wanted to highlight one of our great Louisiana restaurants and introduce it to those of you that will visit us in the future. You might want to put them on your list. Please tell them that Shannon from the Dig In and Pitch In channel sent you.